everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany Janelle TV. It's your girl Brittany. Thank you so much for tuning in. So y'all, by the title of this video, I am with my ivybox for August. Y'all, I've actually heard some pretty good things about this ivybox, and so I just wanted to, of course, do my unboxing, show it with you guys. If I have anyone new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see this August ivybox unboxing, make sure you continue watching. Okay, y'all, so let's get into this unboxing. So I have my lovely wrapping paper here. Like as usual, if you watch a lot of my unboxings, I never want to rip it out, rip the paper, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do. So let's see what is for August this month. Ooh. Okay, so the theme for the month of August is fearfully and wonderfully made. I really like that. And what's in the box is a ivy leaf denim dress and then an ivy leaf chain link scarf. So I'm really excited to see that. But if y'all want to, here is the card here, and then also like what I see inside. And then also I forgot to mention that they also put like, you know, like just Bible verses and, you know, just spiritual things also inside this card, which I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I probably need to start saving these cards, you know, just as like a reminder, just spiritual wise, so I can just go back and just, you know, just read on it. Okay. And then I'm just gonna show, just for anyone new here that may be watching that hasn't seen none of my ivybox unboxing. So yeah, so we have this card here. And then we also have a card here just in case you may want to get like a bigger size or just anything. So y'all, the first item I am going to open, I know it's just only just 2 of them for this month of August, but it's going to be this lovely scarf that I am going to open and show you guys. I know this packaging sometimes can be a lot noisy, so. Okay, y'all, I really like this scarf, like with the whole ivy leaf on there, and I even really like just the link with the pearls and stuff like that on them. It's really cute. I don't really wear a lot of scarves just in general, but when we have like conferences, chapter meetings, and like stuff like that, most likely I'll probably wear this scarf. But I really do like this scarf a lot. Like, I can definitely say these last couple of months, the Ivy Storehouse has really been stepping their game up. So I am really excited and just really happy with this scarf. For my last item, I know I just said this, they only just gave us 2 items, but hey, I am happy with anything that they give us. But this is a denim dress, and yeah, I'm really excited to see how this denim dress looks. I was thinking about putting it on, but I'm like, I don't feel like changing right now. But I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So I really like this dress. I don't know where I'll wear it to, but hey, we have, I'm pretty sure, like some regional conferences or chat something. I'll figure it out where to wear it. But y'all, this dress is so cute. Like, I could see myself putting maybe like a pink or like a green belt here. So yeah, so it is so cute. Matter of fact, come think about it, just in general, I don't even think I have like a blue jean dress. So right here on the sleeves is the ivy leaf. I believe they're on both of the, yeah, they're on both of the sleeves. So yeah, y'all, I really like it. Like I said, I was thinking about putting it on, but I just don't feel like changing right now. And then of course we have like the little pink and green right there. And then, y'all, what I like is also, I could kind of say, I don't know what I would want to say, but the buttons, they're not like regular buttons like on like blue jeans basically. So I like that as well. Yeah, so y'all, so if any of my sorors that are subscribed to my channel and y'all like this dress, just items just in general for this month's box, make sure you drop some comments below. But yeah, y'all, I really like this blue jean dress, the blue jean dress and the scarf. Like, I feel like the items that they gave us for this month, I feel like it's perfect. Like, it's not too much, not too less, so I like them. Okay, one last thing, y'all. I just realized whenever I was like untaking the dress off, it's the button. Baby, okay, I need that because with a blue jean dress and with these nails, baby, I be struggling to be taking things off. So I really like these buttons, and yeah, so I can definitely say that I'm very happy with this dress. So that is it for this month's Ivy box for the month of August. Y'all, I really like those 2 items, so I'm really excited to just, you know, whenever we can get back to normal, I can actually like wear those 2 events and stuff like that. So I hope my subscribers enjoyed the items as well as much as I do. Like I said, give this video a thumbs up, and if I have any sorors that like this month's August Ivy box, make sure you drop some comments below. And as usual, I love you guys, so I will see you in my next video. Bye.